We're rendezvousing here with some of Chef Gene's students from his school, and we're all going to have lunch. And in fact, the person who owns this place is also a student at the school. And so I'm hungry and I'm looking forward to it.
Ah yes, a vat of offal simmers with all the ingredients necessary to fill the bowls of hungry diners, eager to sample the signature Gotong Batangas. Internal organs entwined by snaking intestines bubble away to make an intensely delicious broth. Bowl after bowl delivered to table after table of Bulacan gourmands. But it doesn't stop there, oh no. The full menu here is described as being Bulacan home cooking, the foods that one would expect during Fiesta, if one was lucky enough. After spending all morning walking around a nipper palm grove, I've built up a hunger that not manners nor even civilization itself can safely contain. And so it's time to join the group and see what other delicacies have made their way out of the kitchen.
Wow, it's gonna be a super lunch.
So we've got quite a few dishes laid out on the table, and Gene, Chef Gene, is here with some of his students to enjoy this lunch. And Gene's just going to explain what's in the soup and just quickly explain the spread that's on the table. So what have we got, Gene?
We start off with Gotong Batangas. So you've got some offal, there's goto, intestines, meat, and then in a base of bulalo or shank bones. Really rich. What's good with this restaurant, it serves it in a Korean pot, so it's hot all the way.
Yep. Okay.
Then we have hito, fried hito, and buro, fermented rice, which we will wrap with some mustard. Then we have tilapia in coconut milk.
Yep.
Okay. You've got adobong itik.
Yep.
Okay. Lots of garlic done in an adobo fashion and then served crispy fried.
Right.
Then you have caldereta, beef caldereta. And then this is quite unique, guya. Okay, it's innards of poultry. Okay, you've got liver, heart, unborn, unlaid eggs.
Unlaid eggs, what does that mean?
These you can try these. These are like yolks. They're unlaid eggs. They're very tasty, and they're in the egg sacs.
Right. Okay. This again?
Rellenong bangus or stuffed whole bangus.
Wow.
They get the filling and they stuff it with other goodies.
Okay.
Very how would you say, Bulacan? Steamed rice in banana leaf, done in cones. And that's what we're going to use as our staple.
All right, well, this sounds fantastic.
Here, I'll give you 2 kinds of tripe with your soup.
So this is an adobo dip. And this is the adobo duck.
Mm-hmm.
So this is an unlaid duck egg. And and that you find that inside the duck when you kill the duck to turn it into adobo.
Mostly the ducks that are slaughtered are not productive anymore for balut. They don't lay much eggs, but they still do, but very, very sparsely.
And there's some duck offal around it. It's a bit different. Got some unsweetened buko juice. Stuffed bangus on my plate. And it looks really nice. And I'm sitting next to Vic. It's a bit difficult to do this vlog because the table's so long. But Vic, what's inside the stuffed bangus?
Well, it's the meat of the fish, the bangus, and then we also add ground pork.
Ground pork,
Yeah.
and spices. I can see. Is
Spices,
there a little chili?
bell pepper, carrots. Yeah,
Okay,
that's it.
great. Thanks.
You can
Stuffed
see how
bangus.
honest. You can see how honest the cooking. It's not an instant tamarind.
Right.
It's real tamarind.
Wow.
You sour up the broth.
This is a chicken soup cooked with real tamarind,
Yeah, it's free-range chicken.
free-range native chicken. This bangus, it's pretty good.
Swimming pool natin, nakain ko. Malinis din.
Just been given a turon halo halo. It's got the pieces of turon in here. This one's banana. Alright, I've mixed it all up. Nice bit of turon. And there's mashed banana in here too, and ice cream. This is nice. Oh, I like the banana. Vic was saying that he'd sort of classify the cuisine that they serve here as Bulacan Fiesta food, the food they would serve at home for a fiesta. Traditional Bulacan home cooking.